let me show you how simple and powerful the PWA software is in a live demo. Don't go anywhere or you'll hate yourself later. Okay, so let me log into the software. Bear with me here whilst I enter my username and password. If you're lucky enough to bag a free license, you'll get your own login. So now I'm logged in. Look, here. Can you see it's all laid out for you in 5 simple steps? The only thing for you to do is watch the introduction video. Look, it's only 2.5 minutes long. I'll tell you exactly how your website can make you money. Before I go to step 2, I want you to note the time. Look here. Right now, it's 9:49 a.m. on Monday the 18th of December 2017. Make sure you note the time. I guarantee that in less than 5 minutes, my software will build you a brand new website. So let's go back to step 2. Here, the software does all the heavy lifting for you. Imagine that you don't own the PWA software, but you want a slice of the $150 billion pie. So you decide to become an affiliate. Where on earth would you start? How would you know which products are the easiest to sell? How would you build a website and drive masses of traffic to it? This kind of inside knowledge can take many years to master. I first tried to make money online way back in 2007. I promise you this, you will fail over and over again, and it'll hurt you so much you'll want to smash your computer screen to pieces. I put my trust in filthy scams and fake gurus. I lost so much money, my wife Claire almost divorced me, but I never gave up. In November 2014, I was at Euston train station in London waiting to board a train to Manchester. Through sheer coincidence, I bumped into an old friend, Mark. I hadn't spoken to him in 12 years. We got talking, and he mentioned he was making money online. The $32,000 gold Rolex on his left wrist suggested he was pretty darn good at it. Luckily, he sat next to me throughout the 2-hour journey. Never in my entire life has a conversation blown my mind. I discovered that Mark's net worth was over $10 million, and most of his wealth came from affiliate marketing. I confessed to him that I was struggling financially. I hated my job working as a waiter in TGI Fridays. I was trying my ass off to make money from the internet, but I was getting scammed time and time again. Mark took pity on me. He invited me to his incredible mansion in Cheshire and showed me step by step how he makes money online. He shared his secret code to claim his slice of the $150 billion pie. I still remember the date, 8th of December 2014, the day that changed my entire life, and the lives of my wife Claire and our 2 kids, Nathan and Danielle, forever. For the last 19 months, I've locked myself away and worked my backside off. Together with a gun team of programmers, we've converted Mark's secret code into plug-and-play software. Can you see this table? It pulls up the hottest products on sites like eBay and Amazon right now. That's the key to success. This isn't based on what was selling well last month or last year. No, my software works out what the hottest products are right now. Look, here's the search volume column. This tells you how many people are looking to buy these products. Here's the competition column. This tells you how many other affiliates you're competing with to sell each product. That's so crucial. We want to sell the most popular products with the least competition. That's the key to making lots of money. All these factors are taken into account to produce a score. The higher the score, the more selling potential a product has right now. You don't need to worry about how the software works this all out. All you do is click a button and select a product. So let me do that for you in this demo. I'm going to find a product with a high score. Let's go for baby monitors. So all we do is tick the box to select that product. Then we click on the button, go to step 3. Bingo! So now we're on step 3 of 5. Here we enter some basic information about the product. Look at these short videos. They tell you exactly what to do. It's so simple, I bet anything that even my 8-year-old nephew Ian could follow them. Let's pull up the general settings first. Here we name our website based on the products we selected. Let's put baby monitors. Next, we choose how often the software will add new products to our website. Let's go for weekly. Imagine how many hours it'd take you each week to find new products, and then you'd have to figure out how to add them to your website. With this feature, you don't have to lift a finger. The PWA software does all the hard work for you. So now, let's look at the SEO settings. This feature helps your website rank as high as possible on search engines like Google. It'll help to massively increase the number of people on your website. Again, there's a very short video which will help us pick the right words. Don't worry,
When they're ready to
buy,
buy, very
it sends
easy.
them back to sites like
based on the
eBay and
fact that
Amazon.
I
I selected baby monitors, I'm going to add the keywords baby, babies, and monitor. I'm going to enter the description, buy baby monitors. Again, there's nothing to worry about here. This short video makes it so simple to follow. So let's save those settings and move on to step 4. As you can see, we're getting through these steps super fast. In step 4, the software works alongside my secret step-by-step traffic strategies. So this is how you get traffic, lots of traffic. When we're setting up our first website, all we do is click this button. That's all for now. I call this feature Extreme Traffic Accelerator because it's a shortcut to getting a ton of people to your website. To get daily traffic, I share my secret methods in a video. I reveal how it only takes me 20 minutes a day to get mass traffic. Don't share that video with anyone, not even your wife or husband. And now it's the final step, step 5. When we land on this page, we don't have to do anything other than push this button to activate our website. So let's do that right now. And there we go. We've got a brand new done-for-you website. Let's check it out. Here we are. Look here. The software's pulled in the hottest selling products on autopilot. So, how long did it take to build our website? Remember, it was 9:49 a.m. when we started step 1. Look here. It's now 9:54 a.m. So it took only 5 minutes to build our brand new website, exactly like I promised. In those 5 minutes, all I did was click 14 times and fill in some basic information. Only 5 minutes and 14 clicks to build a brand new website with the software. That's incredibly simple and fast. Imagine trying to build a website like this on your own. And this isn't just any website. It's built using Mark's secret code. I've spent over 19 months programming his secret code into plug-and-play software. This beast finds the hottest selling products online. Let's click on a random product. Look at this. The software's found the customer reviews for this product online, and it's added them to our website. These reviews are pure gold. They'll convert more people to your website into buyers. Let's imagine there's a 32-year-old from New York called Christine. Christine searches online for a baby monitor. Through my extreme traffic accelerator strategy, Christine lands on your website. She reads the reviews for this baby monitor and decides she wants to buy it. So she clicks Add to Cart. As you can see here, the product's in Christine's cart. Christine then wants to complete her purchase, so she clicks Proceed to Checkout. Look at this. Your website sends Christine to the seller of the product through your affiliate link. Christine then clicks Continue. She fills in her credit card details and buys the baby monitor. Meanwhile, you get paid a commission. You don't have to sell or deliver the product to Christine. That's the seller's job. Okay, let's go back to step 5. I want to show you something. Look, here's a link to an affiliate program. Just click this link and fill in some basic information. In a couple of minutes, you'll have an affiliate account. That's how you get paid. Okay, so now I want to show you exactly how huge the profit potential of my software is. I've set up a brand new affiliate account. Let me log into it. Give me a few seconds. Okay, we're in. It's not even earned $1 yet because it's a new account. I'm going to stop this video now and come back to it in a week's time. Remember the date today is Monday the 18th of December. I'll log into this same account next week to show you how huge the profit potential of this software can be. In the meantime, I'll spend 20 minutes a day building a few websites. I'll also use the Extreme Traffic Accelerator strategy. I'll do it for 20 minutes each day. I usually do it after Claire and I put our two kids, Nathan and Danielle, to bed. But you can do it any time in the day. You don't want to miss this. Bye for now. Hello again, it's Alex here. It's been a few days since we started using a new affiliate account. Let's log into it and see if we made any commission money. I'm so excited to show you this. But before I do, let me show you the current date and time. It's currently Sunday the 24th of December. You'll remember that the live demo of the software was on Monday the 18th of December. That's just a few days ago. So let's do this. Okay, we're in. Look here. This table shows us how much we made. During this time, we didn't use the software. So you can see there are no earnings here. Then from this point, we started building affiliate websites. Remember, each website takes less than 5 minutes and only 14 clicks to build. And look at the commission we've racked up in just a few days from a brand new account. Now, do you believe how powerful the PWA software is? To multiply your earning potential, you need to build more websites with the software. It's that simple. My software will find the hottest selling products for you. It does all the hard work for you. All you need to do is follow the 5-step process to set up a done-for-you website. You watch me do that in less than 5 minutes and only 14 clicks. Remember, I know how to make money. Lots of money. Let me show you my personal bank account. That's over $2.3 million sat in my account, all made from the comfort of my home. I'm not showing you this to brag. I'm sharing my personal information with you, so you can trust me when I say I know how to make money, and that you too can make money with my free software. Remember, you're getting my secret software for free. You might be wondering, why is this guy giving me his secret? It's because I make a small commission when you use my free software. So it's in my interest that you make as much money as possible with your new website. Okay, are you ready to get your own website and start making money? You must claim your done-for-you website right here, right now, on this page. You're one step away from securing a free license to use my new software in your country, the same tool I use to get paid. You're so close to tasting a slice of a $136 billion pie. But I need to make something clear. I reserve the right to take down this video and website at any time if I think there are too many people using my software and it's hurting my own profitability. Sorry, I will close this site down. No question. So don't waste time. Follow the instructions on this video right away. To get your done-for-you website, you need to click the button below. I'm almost embarrassed by how easy this is, and it gets even better. You get a massive discount if you claim your website today. But you can think of your done-for-you website as 100% free. So we're clear. I'll never charge you a single dime. You'll always get my most powerful money-making software for free. That'll never change. But because we will host your website on our powerful servers, we need to charge some kind of fee to provide you with an elite service. Here's the good news about the low price we're charging for hosting your website. We're taking a whopping discount off the price for you. You'll see a special discount code you can use below. After you buy your done-for-you website, you'll get a 60-day risk-free trial. If in the next 60 days you want your money back for any reason, you'll get every last penny back. No questions asked, That's guaranteed. I'm 100% confident that you can make money with this. That's why you can think of your done-for-you website as 100% free. I'm not worried at all about losing money here, because you're definitely not going to want a refund. I'll bet my house that you can make a hell of a lot more money than you spent on your new website. You'll see why in a few minutes after you sign up. This system works. I would know because it's the software I use myself to make money. But I want to make you this ironclad guarantee, so you too can be 100% confident that this will work and you can make money. Period. No question. There's nothing to lose by signing up right now. Your next step is to click the button below and sign up 100% risk-free. Don't wait on this. If you don't take advantage of this right now, you're going to hate yourself later. I say that because if you don't sign up now, someone else will take your spot and make money instead. Don't let someone else take the done-for-you website you need. Take action right now. Due to high demand for this software, I can't wait around for you to make a decision. You need to make the decision now to take action and get your website. Remember, this is a completely risk-free investment. So why wait? Why even think about it? This is a no-brainer. Sign up right now and get the website you need to make money. Don't wait a minute longer. People like you have already lost access by waiting too long, and I'll never let them back in. It's so easy to lock down your done-for-you money-making website. Follow the instructions below this video to claim your discount. It's so simple. Follow the instructions below this video right now. It only takes 60 seconds to sign up. Click the button below right now. I'll see you on the other side.